want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that's with the talk, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that care boss, like the Baba Frayo.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Winter Sleepy, but you can call me Firecracker if you want. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to my channel. And if you have been a part of us, welcome back, my love. Anyway guys, it is a Saturday. I don't even know the date, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it is a Saturday afternoon. First thing I did in the morning was do my laundry. Like, I must say, I'm gonna be washing for the next 2 months or so, because washing is today. Aibo. But anyway, now I'm just catching up on my favorite YouTubers. I'm gonna make myself a drink. Okay, I'm not gonna make myself a drink, I'm just gonna drink Brutal. And Brutal, wow, when are you twanging? Not brutal. And then make myself some food. And then it's a Saturday, like I said. I don't have any plans, and there are no plans in sight, but as far as maybe it's gonna figure 6 or 7, who knows. But yeah, so guys, without rambling too much, let's just get right into it. Once I kill video, Hi my loves, it is a Sunday and it is just after 12. I am going out, just scramdly yum. Anyway guys, I know I said Sundays are for lovers. Yo, Sundays are for rich days. Today Sundays are for lovers. But anyway, yeah, I think I'll talk to you guys properly when I come back. I'm not taking my camera with, I'll just vlog on my phone as per usual. So I hope you guys are well, and I'll talk to you guys when I come back.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
mnandi ubani ungane.
Per. Yo ngivuke ngayibamba. Yela ngiswima lapho ukuhlobisa leyo pool leyo. Ba, ngikho umunyuza uminza girl.
Oh, that's
Monday. Atsini.
Today is Saturday.
Angakushaya sinsidlala.
Wah.
Yazi ukuthi nduya kufikile.
But anyway, morning guys, it is a Monday morning and it is 11:45. I'm about to go bath. I'm gonna show you guys my whole skincare routine and stuff. But anyway, I'll give you guys a little wake up everything. Hey, I'm manifesting. But anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a little update as to what happened yesterday and shit like that. I quickly wanna go bath and stuff. I'm not sure what's happening today. We're probably gonna swim because it's fairly hot outside. Because the last time we swam, the weather was like but today it's a bit better, so probably that's what's going to happen again and stuff. And yeah, I just wanted to greet you guys. I changed the camera settings, but they are so ugly. But you know what, it's okay. I don't want to record with my phone like angpoon. Okay, let me go back. Actually, I'm rambling. Now that I am done bathing, I start with the, okay, I'm going to be quick because this is not like a skincare whatever, and I'm not a dermatologist, so what works for me might not work for you. I don't even know if it's working for me or what, but the first thing I'm going to use is this hydrating cleanser. And before you buy like one of these cleansers, I think you need to know like your skin type, because there's different cleansers for different skin types. And the thing about this, I'm like, is this even a cleanser? Because it's like it's a moisturizer. If you guys can see, it doesn't foam or show any sign of having soap whatsoever. So I guess that's how the product is. Namangazi guys. And guys, I will start with the cleanser and then I massage it into my skin for literally 60 seconds, and then and by the way, I double cleanse. So if you don't know what that means, hey guys, and that's guys. So after double cleansing, usually I would let it air dry, but today I'm trying to finish. So I just pat it, you know, because I don't have time to let it air dry. Once that is done, I go on with this toner. It doesn't want to focus. Yeah, you guys probably saw it. I go on with this with cotton wool and stuff. After letting the toner dry, guys, I can't pronounce it. Is it salicylic acid or what? Angas, whatever you call it. I let it dry for a minute, and then I go on with, okay, I'm supposed to use this blemish cream at night only. Focus when I show it out. This cream, I'm supposed to use it at night, but I didn't use it last night, so I'm just going to use it now and apply a fair amount of sunscreen. You guys aren't supposed to do that, but I'm doing it because I want to. So and then I go on with the blemish cream. This is how it looks inside. It's quite small, but I'm sure it doesn't work. You guys will tell me if you guys can see like the difference in my skin, but not now, probably after 2 weeks or something. And as I said, you only use this at night, but I'm doing it because I can, you know. And then you only apply this on like the affected areas or whatever. Nah, I told you guys it's just the side, so that's why I'm applying it now, although that is so wrong. So And then once I'm done putting on the blemish cream, I go on with the moisturizing lotion, but it says for dry to very dry skin. I think I bought the wrong one, but I mean moisturizer, get moisturizer, what's mounting. And then this feels the same way the cleanser feels like. So that's why I was like, what's going on? Is this even a cleanser? Because why isn't it foaming to show for it again? Get sip up or something. But it says it's also dryly gentle magic. So I think that's okay for now. Final step after this, obviously, it's the sunscreen. Because what are you doing with your life if you don't apply sunscreen? You know? So, but guys, we're getting there. Can you guys see that? It's no longer that dark like they used to be. So, that's great. Then, the last part is a sunscreen. You guys already know the drill. Oh, by the way, if you have sensitive eyes like mine, it stings. It will sting your eyes unprovoked. So, I'm going to go on with like a numerous amount of sunscreen because I did something I was not supposed to do. I don't forget my neck and everything I do, but you know what? And generally I said like it stings my eye. I try like not going over here because you guys are clean. And yesterday my eyes were like stinging so bad. It was stinging so bad because of the sunscreen. So I'm gonna try not going like here because go very big. So yeah. And one thing they don't tell you guys about the sunscreen is that it does leave a white cast, but it goes away quickly. Yo, my eyes are browner than usual, but I think it's because of yesterday. Yo, my eyes were burning yesterday. See, the white cast is off, but it does leave a white cast. They mustn't lie to you. I must get that sunscreen yabana where I'm just gonna use around my like here, I don't know what you call it, so that it can also be protected because and I think we're done. I think we're done. The lighting is not the greatest, but we're done. And this is how we look. I think today is yo guys, I haven't lost count shit. I think today is the 4th day or 5th day me using this thing. So as it's going to galani, but here they must vanish because ew. But anyway, if I'm being fairly honest with you guys, I don't think I'm gonna take off this bonnet. And I'm not going anywhere. So I say must stay away. Keep your bonnet, right? It's really not because this is how I look underneath, and I'm not about to be fixing this thing. Nah, I'm not taking it off. Fuck it. I'm in the house, most. So yeah, now I'm gonna go make food for the kids with my cousin and Dumbali. By the way, Mbali's here. So yeah, it's now 12:30. So let me get to it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Yeah. call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm hurting. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you say.
So hi guys, I'm getting my nails done, and at this point I think I'll just rant when I get home because I am so annoyed. I'm so annoyed, and it is like 2. I'm not even halfway doing my nails, like manicure. I still have to do a pedi. Go for it's like a 6 months. At this point, I'm so bored. But I'll tell you all about it when I get home because if I don't laugh, I'm gonna cry, really.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
Good morning, Exteni guys. Good morning, you guys. It's the 30th of March and it is currently 9:30. Hey guys, if you guys were to say we are unsubscribing, I wouldn't even fight you guys. Like I'd be on some valid because I haven't been vlogging and not excuse. That's why I'm saying if you guys were to say, I'm not saying you must do it, I'm just saying if you guys were to say we are unsubscribing, I'd be on some you are right Momundia, because what in the hell is this? And this vlog is like so messy. But anyway, today it is the 30th of March, and I think I last spoke to you guys the last time I went to go do my nails. I wanted to rant, but I'm just like, you know what, let me just keep it in because I am a good citizen, and let me just keep quiet. So I went to go get my nails done. Let me show you. Okay, I'll just put a clip here so you guys can actually see how my nails were. Then what have I been up to? Nothing much. I've been indoors. Yeah, basically I've been indoors and there was nothing worth vlogging and stuff. Fuck, my hand is so tired. So yeah, then today I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like I can see be like once I stop vlogging like for days, give a like going back on my feet is just like so much wahala. But that's besides the point. I'm gonna try get back on my feet because you guys anyway, yeah, but I'm probably just gonna do an unboxing with you guys. We're just going to unbox this tedbaker bag. Yo, I'm just hoping. Okay, remember like the money for okay, the money that I'm supposed to get from YouTube, I was going to buy a tedbaker bag, but since that's not happening, I'm just gonna buy a headboard with that money because chill the headboard. So guys, subscribe bang and please watch the ads because it's not looking good, Bev. But anyway, yeah, I think that's about it for today. I'll just talk to you guys when there's anything to do because over Monday I'm rambling and I'm just not making sense. But catch you guys on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Good morning guys, I hope you guys are well. It is a Friday morning and it's such a gloomy day. That's why I'm looking like this. Let me show you my outfit. It's not necessary, but okay, let me flip this. I'm wearing this sweater so small, but that's the sweater from Shein, sweatpants from Mr. Price. I'm gaining weight, look how tight these are, gosh. And then Crocs. That was so unnecessary. But anyway guys, yesterday I said I was going to do an unboxing with you guys, of which that didn't happen, so I'm going to do it today. You see the bag is like there at the back. And yeah, let me show you how my room is looking so far. So good. So this is how everything is looking. Cute guys, get like a headboard table, and then a small little table there, and everything is looking good so far. So I'm just gonna go fetch my mirror that I left Kotembisa. Then I'm gonna put it here and like a small desk nyana, of which I don't think I'm going to use. But yeah, so let's do the tedbaker unboxing so we can get this out the way. My gosh, so let's do the tedbaker unboxing. But must I do TikTok first or after? Oh my gosh, I don't know, guys. Get it wrong. Genuinely don't know how to do a proper unboxing unless it's like a TikTok or whatever, so you guys are just gonna have to be strong. So this is how the packaging looks. Cute. It's a bit creased, but it's whatever. Then it comes with this paper bag, whatever, and then here's the star. Oh my god, can you guys see this? Oh, I love it so much. And then there's just like a box thingy inside that I'm not gonna take out because I want to do a TikTok unboxing type of thing. And then I think this is the medium size. This is a medium size. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And this is the price. It retailed for 1,000 rand. Can you guys see that? It was 1,000 rand. So put yourself on this, because are you mad? Like, are you serious? Like, are you serious? And by the way, I bought it beginning of March, so I'm not sure if it's a corner. Long tall. Are you mad? Are you serious? And guys, to think, man. Wait, let me put you guys up. The first time when this bag started like trending, I was like, nah, this bag is ugly as shit. It's not nice. Like, I didn't get this whole vibe. Like, it seemed like so plain to me because I'm extra, so I was just like, nah, I don't like it. But now I'm just like, whoops, crumbly yum yum. She is so beautiful. Can you guys see that? Fuck. But anyway, yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I know that was so lame, but that's it. I think that's the end of the vlog, because I'm definitely not doing anything today because the weather is just like shuku. So now I'm just gonna chill with my baby cousins. Yo, my cousin who's this Ulebu, she left, and ngiselengi one nabantwana. Hate that for myself, but whatever. So if you guys have come this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to my channel. Don't leave without subscribing, or else I'm gonna fight you. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.